Hello, I would like to show you some new features in CsoundQt 096, and mostly it goes about the HTML support in this version. It has existed also before in Windows versions, but now it's finally out for also OS X and Linux, and also Windows. It has been completely rewritten, and it's new. Might have bugs in, but still it opens up a lot of new possibilities. To get to know the system, first of all, you can go to examples, and there is a chapter with some minimal HTML examples that you can open, and you can see the part written in HTML code that is part of a CSound file that you can use for controls. So for example, this is one example written by Michael Logan. So this is an CSD file that has also a user interface written in HTML5. And you can ask what is it necessary for if you have the widgets of CsoundQt. But you can use this kind of files also on other platforms, like on Android or CSound for Node, or other web-based, like the WebAssembly CSound solution. And for example, now you can run the files designed for CSound on Android that has for some time already HTML support. Here you can see one work by Art Hankins. It's meant for CSound on Android, but now it runs also nicely in CsoundQt. So what's it nice for? That you can easily build, you can do your work in CsoundQt, try things out. If you want to change something in your HTML code, you can see it immediately. And another important thing is that you can also play HTML only files. In the examples you have the HTML file in CsoundQt. It's written also by Michael Logan, who has done a lot of work in this area. Also the supports in CsoundQt, and here you cannot start the file from play of CsoundQt, but you have to code starting and stopping CSound from your HTML and JavaScript. So there's the play button, and you have a famous Csound example written in. To get you started, there are now a couple of templates for CSound plus HTML that you can use in CsoundQt, CSound on Android and other platforms. So for example, if you have opened the template, save it under another name, you can do your changes. So for example, let's change the color, and when you do some changes in your HTML code and save, you can immediately see the result. So there's an extremely simple template that demonstrates just playing an event and using a slider for the controls. And if you have this file, then it was my CSound HTML, and you can easily send it to your smartphone, and off you go. And another cool solution, now the web-based CSound and WebAssemblies is getting more and more important. Among the templates you have also a WASM template, also a very simple one. save it under some name, and do some changes in there. And here now everything is written as a HTML file, and the functions to play and encode the CSON part are written in JavaScript. And you can work with this kind of code now in CsoundQt. So it's based on one example of Victor Lazzarini, and it demonstrates you getting values, setting values, playing events. If I have it saved and I upload it to server, where I have necessary files for the WASP work, and let's try to see if I get it loaded. Yeah, so now I have the C sound running here, and the work that I did now in CsoundQt just a couple of seconds ago, it's up there in network. So we've done a lot of work to help you to work with the HTML solutions in CsoundQt. Also, you can inspect your JavaScript side. I have this version built based on WebKit. You can check it here. So we have the inspector tool in the context menu, but actually the preferred way to build, and it's also in an OS X and Windows, based on Web Engine, and then you have a small button here for inspecting. It opens another window and you can do the JavaScript and the HTML debugging from there. It's a new thing. I hope I will get some feedback from you, and I really hope it turns useful in many cases. So happy using CsoundQt 0.96. It's a beta version, but I hope it can still be useful for many. Thank you.